The sun is high today, and I'm walking on my road, looking for you, my own happy place. I'm stumbled upon judgments that break my feelings down in this way. But today I let that best part of me speak, and I'll invite her to stay, yeah. And I don't care, it's fine. The road I hit is mine. That's me in every line. That's me, my eye and I. And I don't care, it's fine. The road I hit is mine. That's me in every line. That's me, my eye and I. Usually, I don't need props to bump with myself like in High Jumper. I'm even the bar. I'm the best player on a ego game, and I don't need a help to make my words. But you may speak about my mistakes, or you may call me earthquake. But I don't care if you don't like me, and there are many people right here that speaks about me, and I don't care, it's fine.
I'm here one more time.
The road I hit is mine.
More than every time.
That's me in every line.
The truth for the first time.
That's me, my eye and I.
And I don't care, it's fine.
And I don't